Today we're going to be looking at this 5x7 rug. In this video, I'm going to lay it out for you and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This has a nice non-slip rubber backing. It's not super thick, but the top is very, very soft. I really like the pattern of this rug as well. It's neutral and would go with pretty much any decor. Calvin, our cat, loves it too. He's very old, 15, and he really, really does like rugs. Every time we get a new rug, he has to be the first one to check it out. This was no exception. If you are looking for a new accent rug that goes with pretty much any decor style, I would not hesitate to recommend this one. One of the best parts about this rug is that it did not have an odor when I took it out of the package.